It's Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024, and I'm Dave Sobel. 3 things to know today. Windows 11 update brings AI features as Microsoft exits the mixed reality hardware market with HoloLens. OpenAI expands voice integration with a Realtime API, while LiquidAI launches efficient non-transformer models, and Kaseya aims for FedRAMP authorization as service leadership opens their IT compensation survey. This is the business of tech. Microsoft has announced the rollout of Windows 11 version 24H2, which includes new features such as AI-powered capabilities, HDR background support, enhanced energy saver, improved Bluetooth LE audio support, and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. The update also introduces sudo for Windows, integrates Rust into the Windows kernel, and enhances various system functionalities. The rollout will begin in the coming weeks for eligible devices, and businesses are encouraged to ensure compatibility with their applications and infrastructure. Additionally, the update will remove certain applications like Cortana and WordPad. And so, speaking of the AI features, Microsoft has introduced new upgrades to its CoPilot AI, including features for natural voice interaction, daily news summarization, and enhanced analytical capabilities through CoPilot Labs. Key features include CoPilot Voice for intuitive communication, CoPilot Daily for news summaries, and new beta features like CoPilot Vision for screen analysis and Think Deeper for complex question handling. Microsoft aims to refine these tools while addressing privacy concerns and compliance with regulations, particularly in the EU. And Microsoft Office 2024 is now available for Macs and PCs as a standalone version, offering updates to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook without requiring a Microsoft 365 subscription. Microsoft has removed support for Windows mixed reality headsets in Windows 11 24H2, rendering them unusable, including popular models like HP's Reverb G2. However, users who remain on Windows 11 version 23H2 can continue to use their MR devices with Steam until November 2026. Microsoft is ending production of the HoloLens 2 mixed reality headset with a final call for purchases until stock runs out. The device will receive security updates until December 31st, 2027, while the first generation HoloLens will stop receiving support after December 10th of this year. Despite past rumors of a HoloLens 3, the project has been scrapped. Microsoft is now focusing on a partnership with Meta, shifting its XR strategy towards software integration with Meta's Quest headsets. The company will continue to invest in mixed reality through software solutions and maintain its commitment to the Integrated Visual Augmentation System program for the U.S. Department of Defense, which is still under development and has a significant contract in place. Why do we care? The growing emphasis on AI features illustrates how Microsoft is positioning itself as a leader in AI-driven productivity tools. For IT services, this trend towards embedding AI into daily workflows represents the primary opportunity. I remain convinced the preparedness for these features is where to focus, and that's in data and data management. Customers aren't ready to be effective with these tools in meaningful ways without their data story being clean. Microsoft is throwing in the towel on hardware-focused XR. Microsoft exits just as Meta showcases. I don't believe one caused the other. This is an opportunity to assist clients in reassessing their XR strategies, particularly for long-term projects in industries like training, healthcare, or defense, if they have one. And it's reasonable to decide that they may not have one. And don't forget, the installed software package isn't dead. Today's episode is supported by CoreView. Your customers need your Microsoft 365 expertise, and CoreView has the only M365 management platform designed for MSPs. Manage hundreds of tenants, automate manual tasks, and monitor compliance, all while intelligently comparing to the baseline. With a no-code control approach, CoreView revolutionizes your Microsoft 365 administration. This powerful platform enables automatic reporting and remediation, ensuring optimal performance and security. The best part? You achieve this high level of service without the need for a large workforce, allowing you to focus on growing your business through efficiency. Want to know more? Visit coreview.com/MSP and find out more. OpenAI has introduced a public beta of its Realtime API, allowing developers to create applications that facilitate natural back-and-forth conversations with AI chatbots. The new API supports low-latency multimodal features and enhanced voice interactions, enabling seamless communication across languages. Based on its advanced voice mode, this allows app developers to integrate human-like voice interactions into their products. OpenAI plans to expand the API's capabilities, including new modalities and increased rate limits, while it's currently being tested by applications like Healthify and Speak for personalized coaching and language learning experiences. LiquidAI, a startup from MIT researchers, has launched its Liquid Foundation models, or LFMs, which are non-transformer AI models that outperform traditional transformer-based models in performance and memory efficiency. The LFMs come in 3 sizes and are designed for various applications, including financial services and biotechnology. They utilize a unique architecture based on dynamical systems and signal processing, allowing for efficient processing of sequential data. LiquidAI invites early adopters to test the models before a full launch event on October 23, 2024. Why do we care? IT service providers working with clients in customer-facing industries like retail, telemedicine, and financial services will want to explore the integration of AI-powered voice solutions. Years ago, I predicted voice would become a major user interface of the future. I may have just been wrong about the timing. Broadly, the introduction of these more efficient models could translate into lower infrastructure costs for clients running large-scale AI applications. That's a differentiator more than larger training sets. Current leading models are based on the transformer architecture, and this could be a sign of some new competition and innovation. Kaseya has announced its commitment to achieve FedRAMP authorization for its IT Complete platform, aiming to support managed services providers with compliance requirements like CMMC. The company is investing multi-million dollars and has appointed John DePero as VP of FedRAMP and Compliance Solutions to lead the initiative. Achieving FedRAMP authorization will enhance compliance for MSPs working with the Department of Defense and create new business opportunities. Service Leadership has opened submissions for its annual IT Solution Provider Compensation Survey, which will run from October 1st to November 30th, 2024. The survey aims to provide IT solution providers with insights into compensation trends across various roles, addressing challenges in employee recruitment and retention. Participants will receive a comprehensive report in early 2025, including new data on employee attrition rates and compensation benchmarks to help organizations optimize their recruitment strategies. Why do we care? So, Kaseya's announcement is both vapor, it's just an announcement that they've started the process, not completed it, and significant as the first to say they're trying. Compliance with FedRAMP is a major hurdle for MSPs targeting government contracts. With upcoming CMMC compliance requirements, that hurdle grows. If Kaseya remains unchallenged here, it will be significant. I do encourage providers to submit their information to Service Leadership. That's been a valuable resource and one I've referenced on the show. Looking to reach an audience of thousands of MSPs and IT service providers? Put your ad right here on the Business of Tech and be on the show that 64% of MSPs report having listened to. A recurring top 50 tech news podcast, there are affordable options for you to reach our audience, and we can support any budget. Podcast listeners are more engaged, have a higher level of brand retention, and are more willing to listen to ads here than any other avenues. Want to know more? There's information at mspradio.com/engage, including a button to book a time to talk. I'm looking forward to that discussion. Thanks for listening. Today is National Fried Scallops Day, and it's National Kale Day. But I refuse to acknowledge kale is a food. Yuck. Given as it is International Day of Nonviolence, kale escapes to live another day. I'll be doing 2 live broadcasts as part of SMB Tech Fest on October 17th and 18th, so make sure to sign up and join the event. smbtechfest.com/go/Sobel with a link in the show notes. And if you got a comment or a thought on a story, put it in the comments if you're on YouTube, or reach out on LinkedIn if you're listening to the podcast. And if you like the show, give us a review and make sure you're subscribed or following on your favorite platform. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. The Business of Tech is written and produced by me, Dave Sobel, under ethics guidelines posted at businessof.tech. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, follow, or subscribe. It's free and easy and the best way to support the show and help us grow. You can also check out our Patreon, where you can join the Business of Tech community at patreon.com/MSP Radio, or buy our Why Do We Care merch at businessof.tech. Finally, if you're interested in advertising on the show, visit mspradio.com/engage. Once again, thanks for listening to me, and I will talk to you again on our next episode of The Business of Tech.
Part of the MSP Radio Network.